Who can guess where we are? Guess where we are. Just look behind us. Guess where we are. Sister Mesha, where we dey?
We dey Chicago, we dey Millennium Park.
Exactly.
See
am now, correct. See, I dey turn am around, oh. Look at that now. Look at that. That will tell you where we are. Guess what we're doing? We are having fun. We are having a swell time here. Not be so?
No, not so.
Oh yeah, give them.
Not so. You know what? If you dey do person job, you go get and they do all this one.
For where? For where?
You go take permission from Oga. Oga will tell you, say, no, you can't.
Even as you dey here, self, you go dey think, hey, I need to do this, so I need to do that. Though. But even while we dey here, our business dey run.
Your money dey count.
E dey come, e dey show. You dey sleep, business dey run. Nothing dey stop am. Why? Because the digital space dey very powerful. Very, very powerful. A lot of you don't know. But my dear brothers and sisters, this is to show you the kind of life that you can live as a digital business owner. So make you know about yourself, Wabi.
Yes, so you work smart, not hard.
Yes, so and you play so that you can have fun and do things you love. Make we stop to live this rigid lifestyle. No flexibility, nothing, no time to do anything else. Now, so work. Wait till it happen.
Work like Jackie.
It's too much now. So give yourself the chance to do something different so that you can live life on your own terms and enjoy flexibility and of course make income even while doing what you love.
Bam.
That's not the small one who won't talk like this. So to learn more, Mukna just go our website down there. Put your name, put your email. My name is Ifyu. I am originally from Nigeria
Felicia, originally from Nigeria.
And she lives in Chicago. And me, I come all the way from Canada, come visit Chicago. I can't say make we connect because we met online and now we're meeting in person. We're meeting offline.
And we still have business partners from Gambia, in Sierra Leone, everybody they here.
All parts of
this
the
business
world.
Connect us.
So come on board and let's show you how we sell. We'll see you on the inside.
Think and twice.